everybody, my name is Mars, like the planet. And today, oh my gosh, I've been needing to do this for so long. Like, I've just been accumulating packages for weeks now from Depop. So this is a Depop haul. I got so much cute stuff. Let's just get into it. Okay, can y'all see my address? I'll unpack it from this side. So cute, so cute. I'm so excited. Okay. Such a cute little note. And then this is her Instagram. I'll link it down below because I'm pretty sure this is the only other person. My dog's right here. This is the only Depop shop that has made to order stuff for this bunny ski mask that I'm about to show y'all. Okay. So cute. She even included stickers and a little hair clip. Oh, this is so cute. It is pink. I love pink. Oh, I need to give a room tour one of these days. Love it. Some star hair clips. Adorable. And some stickers. Oh my gosh, bitch, I'm so excited. Okay, so I got a snake sticker, a tiger sticker. Is this a sticker? Yeah, it is a sticker. Bitch, are you kidding? I love this. I literally recently just rewatched all of Gravity Falls. Come on, this is adorable. Come on, bruh. I love this. 5 stars out of 5 stars. Okay, now I'm so excited for this. Oh, bunny ears. Come on, stop playing. Okay, little bunny ears, little bunny ears. I think I saw her style it like bending one of these. Cute. Okay, I had like a little ball sticking out, but I just tucked it in and it looks so much better now. Love it. Ooh, really happy about that one. So next up, this one feel like something, you know what I mean? I kind of forgot what it is. I think it's a purse. Yes, bitch. Oh my gosh. So I got me a Juicy Couture purse. I got me a couple Juicy Couture purses, but this is her. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, let me spread her out because she's a little squished from the packaging. Obsessed. She doesn't smell dirty or nothing. Okay, so let's get into the details, shall we? We got some pink embroidery in this gray. So cute. Like, I honestly, this speaks for itself. I don't even have to do much commentary for this. Like, come on now. The inside quality is good. Like, it's not all busted or nothing. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so, bro, I'm about to use, oh my gosh, because I was a tomboy all of high school. If you know me, you know me, right? Well, but I'm getting to my girly stage, divine feminine, you know what I'm saying? So purses, yes, instead of using the backpack that I always use for everything, even for school. Wait, hold up, let me go get it. This bad boy right here is small, but it hold a lot, right? It hold a lot. A lot of people were down in the power of this little backpack right here. I put in binders, my whole laptop in here. This bad boy right here was my ride or die, you know what I mean? It still is. But yeah, time to upgrade to something more, you know, I don't even need to say it, you know. But in case you're interested, here's my little keychain, a Corona keychain, super cute, that my homegirl Gabby got me. Thank you, Gabby, super awesome. She got me it for Christmas. So shout out to you, Gabby. So excited for this, super awesome. Next, cute green wrapping paper. Like, I haven't seen green wrapping paper. It's such a pretty green too. It's so cute. Thank you. I'm so grateful, bro. I'm so grateful for everything. Y'all are not ready. I told y'all I got cool stuff. I told y'all. Oh my gosh. I was already like fainting over the photos. Can you believe it? And it's a backpack. It's a backpack. It's a backpack. Oh my goodness. So cute. I love it. I love everything I got. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. Thank you. Wow. This is definitely gonna be sitting pretty on my bed. Just everything is just so good. Okay, next up. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about this one. It's a jacket. It got like a whole bunch of bejewels on it, and it has like this ombre, these two-tone pink ombre. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at, just get into the details, bro. Get into the freaking details, bro. All over, all on the pockets right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I actually finally opened this. Super cool. I'm not sure what it says right here. BCBG could be the brand. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is the brand, BCBG. Cute, super cute. Y2K, you know what I mean? I wear my jackets like this sometimes. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you for purchasing. I know you'll look great in this. Have a nice day, heart. Shop sustainable and stay sexy. Love that. So cute. And she is such a good artist. Look at this. Next, I'm pretty sure this is another purse. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. Here's the purse. So right on top, okay, he who shall not be named. This is controversial. Please do not cancel me. But she threw it in for free. She threw it in for free with the purse that I got. I was scrolling. I don't have any eyeshadows. I got it for free, okay? I got it for free. Morphe palette, right? I'm not trying to support him, right? But I'm not gonna lie, let's not lie here. He got every single color on that palette, okay? And I got it for free. With that being said, you probably already know what I was talking about. And I got it for free, y'all. That's wild. That is wild. And this purse, okay, this purse. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I jaw dropped. Is this, did she give this to me for free? I think she gave it to me for free. There's no way this came with it. Did it come with it? Maybe it did come with it. I don't know, but this is cool as fuck. I could wear this on my like as a belt. I could wear this as like a little accessory, a little belt chain, you know what I mean? But I don't know if this came with the purse or not, or she gave this to me for free. But this is the purse, and everything is like in good condition. Like, because if y'all see like Juicy Couture stuff be like all ripped up and everything, like all this stuff is in good spanking condition. Oh my, wow. It was supposed to be like a black bag that I was looking for, but I did see that they were like saying like it could be super dark brown and some lighting. So this is still super cute. I love the cream. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so cool. Wait, I'm gonna tie this so it looks really cute. 1 second. So this is with it tied up all nice. I could tie that better, honestly, but this is her. Look at her. Just wow. Just wow. Wow, staple piece. All of these are just, but anyways, last but not least, one more package that I got recently. Alrighty, again with the cute ass wrapping paper. Like, what? This green and this pink is super cute, super cute. And she gave me a little thank you note. Oh my gosh, a whole thank you note. Look how pretty her handwriting is. So she has this little card that says thank you on it with the matching pretty green. Thank you for your support and purchasing from Mookie's Closet. I really appreciate it, buddy. Pretty ass handwriting. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, look at her. Woo! she's big. She is a size large. I'm quite petite, but I like oversized things. Wow. So she is a dark brown jacket. I'm gonna wear a dress and some heels with her, and she should be flaring at the bottom, so let me see. So this literally almost hits my ankles, but look, she's huge, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Wow. It's looking a little black. I was expecting like a brown. I knew it was gonna be dark brown, but it is looking a little black. You got this on the inside and a hood. Super cute. It's given like my husband is rich vibes, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's giving mafia wife. She's a moment for show. Definitely gonna style her with her, you know what I mean? You know, I need a better angle for this, but this is the vision we have so far, you know what I mean? So that is everything that I got. I think my food has arrived. I DoorDashed some sushi and mochi. Yeah, this is all the stuff that I got. Super grateful for everything. So thank y'all so much for watching and joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my haul. Like, subscribe. Thank you. See y'all in the next one.